naamoy ako. May naaamoy ako. Dagdag edad na naman para sa'yo, Linitot, sa Sabado. Naamoy ko yung katandaan. Joke. Hi, Sissy. Happy birthday to you. I hope you had a blast birthday. I know you're so blessed person, husband, kids, life, and I just hope I have so much more blessings to come, and especially good health. Keep well always. I've been knowing you for so long now, few years, and we haven't met yet. Hopefully one day magkikita din tayo. This year, maybe next year. We never know. We just keep well. Love you, Sissy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, be. Basta stay healthy. Palagi ka masaya. Yun lang ang aking wish para sa iyo. Basta love ka namin. Oriana Share fam. Alam naman yan, di ba? Sige.
Happy birthday, Sissy. I pray for good health lagi. Take care always, and thank you for everything.
Hello, Sissy. Captain Miss Babe. Happy birthday! Mwah! Sarang!
Eh, what's up? Kala nyo si Coco Martin to. Siguro yun lang to, tol. Balita ko, magbe-birthday ka na daw, kaya happy birthday. God bless you and I value, tol. Okay na to. Mamamasada pa ako eh. Mag-aantay na yung mga estudyante. Bye. Happy birthday.
Tol, si Carpio to. Ang Dutch may tomboy ng Israel. May nakapagbulong sa akin, birthday mo daw. Bottoms up birthday, tol. Enjoy your day. Okay na to. Malapit na mabara ang bigote ko. Happy birthday, tol. I love you.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Tita Pos!
Happy birthday.
Sino mag-blow? Dapat mag-wish muna siya.
Wish ka.
Wala na eh. Tapos i-blow.
Yay! Happy birthday.